Now we go to his partner in crime, who is with Kayla Afable, that's Cyrus Cuenco.
Yes, Anton, I am with Cyrus right now. So, Cyrus, walk me through the final play of your team and when you made that winning shot.
Sabi lang sa akin ni Coach Randy, Sai, take charge. So yun, kinuha ko yung bola and nag-take charge. So nakita ko bumaba, so tinira ko ng buong kumpiyansa.
Sige, your performance today was all around with assists, steals, may rebounds ka pa. Why do you think you were able to step up to that kind of role today?
Sa akin yung sa tiwala ng coaches and tiwala ko sa mga teammates ko. Kumbaga sabi ni Coach Randy, kahit sa amin yun kung nag-collapse na, so tiwala sa mga kasama, yun.
And last na, other than yourself naman, what clicked for the team today? Ano yung mga gumana? And how did you keep up with the adjustments despite it being a very tight game all throughout?
Yung coaches namin sinasabi na close ball game lagi yan, lalo na papalapit na yung Final Four. So yun, nag-adjust lang kami, nag-focus kami sa mga defense namin and effort namin and inano namin yung maturity namin sa endgame.
Okay, so Cyrus, pwede ka na bumati sa mga supporters mo.
Binabati ko yung magulang ko dyan sa Santa Rita, Pampanga, mama ko, daddy ko, sa kapatid ko, kay Klein, kay Haynes, kay Tito Darwin, sa family ko sa America, sa Guam, Valencia family, Tolentino family, Cuenco family. Binabati ko rin si Coach Drake, yung neighborhood na skills niya. And binabati ko si Boss A, si Boss Teddy, at sa buong sumusuporta sa Mapua community, sa mga sumusuporta. Yun lang, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for that, Cyrus. And now I turn it back to you, Anton.